Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest tech news and reviews. In today's video, we will be discussing the Huawei Mate XS, the latest smartphone from the Chinese tech giant Huawei. The Huawei Mate XS is an impressive device that packs a punch with its unique features. Firstly, the phone has a stunning 8-inch OLED display that can be folded in half, making it both compact and easy to carry. The display is bright and vivid, with deep blacks and accurate colors. Under the hood, the Mate XS is powered by the Kirin 995G chipset, which ensures lightning-fast performance and allows for 5G connectivity. The phone also comes with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, which is more than enough for all your storage needs. The camera setup on the Huawei Mate XS is also noteworthy. It features a quad-camera system that includes a 40MP main camera, a 16MP ultra-wide-angle lens, an 8MP telephoto lens, and a 3D depth sensor. This camera setup takes stunning photos and videos, even in low light conditions. The phone also comes with a powerful 4500 mAh battery, which is more than enough to last you through the day. The Mate XS also supports fast charging, which means you can charge your phone quickly and get back to using it in no time. Another feature that sets the Huawei Mate XS apart is its software. The phone runs on MIUI 10, which is based on Android 10. The software is smooth and intuitive, and the phone comes preloaded with useful apps and features. Overall, the Huawei Mate XS is an impressive device that is worth considering if you are in the market for a new smartphone. Its foldable display, powerful processor, excellent camera setup, and long battery life make it an excellent choice for anyone who wants a top-of-the-line smartphone. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.